Can I actually find inner peace in just 5 minutes? Let's find out together. Welcome to this mindful guided meditation, a space where you can let go and find deep relaxation. This is a moment for you to pause, breathe, and simply be. In our daily lives, it's easy to caught up in stress and anxiety. Our minds can feel like they are racing, and it's hard to find a moment of calm. We have all been there, feeling overwhelmed, struggling to sleep, or just needing a break from the chaos. This meditation is here to help you find an oasis of peace amidst the challenges of everyday life. By taking a few moments to focus on your breath and relax your body, you can start to feel more grounded and centered. As you settle in, take a deep breath in, and let's begin by bringing your attention to your toes. Notice how they feel, and as you exhale, imagine any tension or stress leaving your body. Move up through your feet, ankles, and calves, releasing any tightness or discomfort as you go. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your knees relax, your thighs unwind, and your hips let go. Focus on your breath, inhaling peace and exhaling tension. As you breathe in, imagine fresh, calming air filling your lungs. As you breathe out, imagine any worries or concerns leaving your body. Move up through your back, shoulders, and arms, releasing any tension or stress. Notice how your chest feels and allow it to expand and relax with each breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to your hands and fingers, feeling any remaining tension melt away. Move up through your neck and jaw, releasing any tightness or discomfort. Finally, bring your attention to the top of your head and feel a sense of calm and relaxation wash over you. Imagine yourself standing on a quiet beach at sunset. The sky is painted with hues of pink and orange, and the air is filled with the sound of gentle waves. Feel the sand beneath your feet and the breeze on your skin. Notice the sensation of the sun's warmth on your face and the smell of the salty air. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this peaceful scene, letting go of any thoughts or worries. As you rest in this peaceful place, remember that this feeling is always accessible to you. It's a sense of calm and peace that you can cultivate anytime you choose to pause and breathe. If you found this meditation helpful, I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below sharing how you feel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more guided meditations and relaxation content. If you're looking for more relaxation, try another one of my videos. I wish you continued peace. Thank you and have a great time.